right, test drive time. 1971 Chevy Corvette, matching number 350, not an LT1 car. It's just got the badging. Now, looking under the hood, power brakes, power steering, upgraded brackets, AC. And she is beautiful with the T-tops. I love it. 100 detailed pictures, financing and shipping. It's all available. Just go to maplemotors.com. Be sure to hit subscribe. I put out so many test drive videos in the last 8 years. It'll help me so much if you join the channel. I do appreciate it. This one also has a 4-speed transmission. We have financing and shipping available, all at maplemotors.com. Type that in your internet browser. Go check out every Monday. We upload new classic cars. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. I'm getting ready to leave the lot. Place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Got the 4-speed set up. Pretty nice and clean in here. And at the end of the video, I'll be going over the interior a little bit more extensive, but for the most part, I mean, it's nice. Turn the key. Probably have to stop and get some fuel. Waiting on her to warm up. She's still cold. Show you the mileage, at least that's what it says. Tilt column, telescoping. Lock her back up. Turn signals, left, right, radio. Well, I don't know if our radio works. Oh, it does.
Really only came through that.
Good deal. Blower motor, AC. Does it work? I don't know. I don't feel anything blowing. Giving her a second there. Oh, it kicked on. It's not cold AC though. Yeah, I don't think the AC is going to work, guys. All right, what do you think? Does the horn work? Try the wipers too. Nothing's going on with the wipers. Wipers need help. Horn? It does work. Good deal. All right, let's hit the road. See how it runs and drives. All right, guys, getting ready to take off. Get our seatbelt on. Of course, anything I see, you will know about it. Seatbelt. Hang on. Now we gotta work on it. We're just gonna put the lap belt on today. Hopefully that idle will calm down. I think it's the choke. Man, she shifted out nice. Pull the column down a little bit. A little tracking going on the steering. See that? It's real tight, that's for sure, but it's kind of tracking on the road. And our brakes feel fine. A little bit of slack there, you hear that? When I let off, might be a mountain. Speedo seems to be working right. Oil pressure seems to be working. Engine temperature has done nothing. And the idle is still high on this one, so I may turn her down a little bit. You hear that? It idled way back up. Check to see if she's warm. If she's nice and warm, I may turn that idle down. I may regret it because it may kick down eventually and then it'll be at the right idle. But let's see if this brake works. I can't tell. Yeah, it's home. Good deal. All right, guys. I'll be right back. Well, I did get some gas, and as you can see, the emergency brake is working. It's not like super good, but I do need to turn this idle down. So, oh man, that's much better. Well, you put the gas in the back here. I got $25 worth, 6.5 gallons at 93 octane. You can actually see down in these tanks. I like that idle there. We're gonna leave it alone. Got my Harbor Freight screwdriver, multi-tool. You know, always comes in handy when adjusting the idle. Pick her on up, let her on down. Nope, I didn't push it in hard enough. Boom. Gas gauge? What do you think? It was pretty low when we got here. Let's see if it works. Alright, brake light is working. Got it off. Gas gauge works. Hot diggity dog. Hi. It's time for us to head on back to the lot. Take our open road here. Right now we're still doing good with the camera work. I know after daylight savings changes, that sun's gonna be dead on in our eyes. That happens every year around this time, and it's not too bad, but it is blinding. Now this car here seems to be pretty good. The only thing is the temp gauge is not working. She is staying cool though. But that says headlamps on it. That doesn't say heating or overheating or anything like that. I know that's going to be brought up. What's the red light? It says headlamps. But I do have the headlamps off. I don't know why that light is on. You can see the steering wheel's not perfectly straight on this one. And that front end does like to travel a little bit. She shifts so smooth. Bump in the road right here, super smooth. We've made it all the way around, guys. We've done our walk around. We're gonna put that at the end. We've checked everything out, and the headlamp light went off. I don't know why. Checking around, but I don't know why. It's back on, headlamp. Huh. Well, we're pulling back into the car lot here. Be sure to hit subscribe, share this video. That helps me out quite a bit. And I do appreciate all of you watching and continuing to watch our channel. Picking out the flaws is coming up right now. All right, let's walk this ride. Anything I find, you'll know about it. Starting up here in the front, you can see somebody has already replaced this front chrome bumper. Looking at the lower portion here, it's also in good shape. Coming on down a little bit more, getting up under here. Not too bad. I'm gonna run down the side now. Little bubbles at the bottom of the door. Like little scuff here on the trim. Vacuum midsection. Little bubble in the middle of the door. You got some chips right here on your side louvers. Got some cracks here. Front looks pretty good. Touch up mark. Chip in your windshield. Another one. Seals look decent, they're good. Coming up on the back. Got a little scuff in the back here. A little bit of pitting around your tag. Coming down this side. Some chips here. as well as the other side, so matches. Scratch there. A little bit of pitting on your antenna. Not bad. It's just some dust up here. Light scratches on your handle, mirror. And seals look good. Like scratch on your front windshield. Back over the top fender, and we'll go to the interior. All right, let's open her up. This car's super clean. Did not take long to walk around, that's for sure. Interior also nice and clean on this one. Jams, I mean, near spotless. This is a bad boy. So shiny. I'm getting a lot of glare. She's still warming up right now. This motor is cold. I'm getting ready to do the test drive, but I'm going to put this portion of the video at the end. I do that a lot. That's why it's idled up. Still warming up. Lay this hood down, but there's one trick on these cars that usually happens. You want to push this in. Yeah, you see how it was out a little bit? It will not shut unless that's pushed in. And then you just pop her up, one click up, hold her from the middle, get about yay high and drop it. Look, that's perfect. Got some little bubbles in the paint in the front there, with dimples. Guys, thank you for watching. 100 detailed pictures, financing and shipping is available on all of our cars. Just go to maplemotors.com. Be sure to subscribe and share and hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one.